Guys, today we have the Honor X9a. Sabi nila, this has a indestructible glass. And today in this video, we'll be trying a series of tests. Pakita natin kung totoong indestructible ba to. Tara, let's start with a simple drop test. Drop lang natin dito from this height. Ayan, kita niya. Okay. We'll pick it up. Ayan. So, tingnan natin mga sides. Kung may crack. Okay, this have a curved screen glass. So, yan, kita natin, walang lamat, no? It's still working perfectly, walang problema. So, right now, we'll move on with the Chestnut cracking. So, right now, itetest natin itong tatlong walnut na meron natin. Ika-crack natin using our Honor X9a. Let's see kung talagang indestructible nga ba siya. Lagyan muna natin dito sa surface na ito. Ika-crack natin siya isa-isa, okay? So, let's start it with one. So, kita muna natin yung screen. It's working, walang problema. Let's try. Okay? Yan. Isa. Second. Yan. One more. Yan. Baliwala lang. Okay? So, tira mo natin yung screen. Okay? Yan. So, walang problema. Yan natin kung may lamat. Okay? Yan. Wala. Malinis ang phone. So, right now, we'll move on with the other. Let's start with the watermelon. So up next is the watermelon smash test. So marami sa inyo nagko-comment previously on my video na ang daliri ko tumatama dito sa watermelon. So ibahin natin konti today to make sure na ang glass talaga tumatama dito. So right now, okay, so watermelon, this is a 5 kilo na watermelon. Lapag natin dito. Okay. So gamitin natin both hands. Okay, ganito. Just make sure na magandang ano, no? Yan. Finger ko is on the side. So, try muna natin, ah. Titingnan ko muna kung may grip ako, ah. Okay? Yan. Okay. So, see. Baka maging, ano to, baka mabali to sa dalawa, parang si Jerry Riggs. Okay? So, anyway, hawakan ko na mabuti. Let's start. Yan. So, nagsistart na siya mag-crack. Okay, so, ayan, bumuka na siya. Yan, okay. So, nag-crack siya perfectly. So, let's see yung phone. Yan, medyo marami lang siyang bubog, no? Yay, ayos. Buo pa siya. Okay, so very good. So, we're down to the last two tests para makita natin, no? Na-drop natin ang honeydew melon and ang durian. Yan natin kung mag-survive siya. Okay, so guys, this time around, i-drop natin itong honeydew melon dito sa Honor X9a. So this is roughly mga 2.5 kilo and kakabasag na natin ng watermelon and this phone is still perfect. Walang crack, walang lamat. So i-drop lang natin to from my chest level, no? So this is my chest level. Drop lang natin. Okay. Okay, panoorin yung buti, ha. Let's see kung magsusurvive siya. In 3, 2, 1, go. Hindi nag-crack. Ayun. So, hindi naman siya intended na mag-crack talaga, no? So, yan natin. Okay. Ginaganan siya ng 2.5 kilo na honeydew melon. Okay, nag-survive. So, right now, we're down to our last drop test dito sa Honor X9a. So, hawak natin is a durian. This is roughly a 2 kilo na durian. Spiky pa siya, nakakatusok pa. So, itadrop lang natin dito sa X9a natin. We'll see kung kaya na i-survive itong mga spikes niya, no? Okay? So, itadrop ko lang dito. Roughly sa chest level ko ulit. Okay? So, in 3, 2, 1, go. Lakas nun. Woo! Okay. So, after several drop tests na ginawa natin dito sa Honor X9a, this phone still perfect. So, guys, nakita nyo na several drop tests ginawa natin dito. Tinorture natin Honor X9a, drop test, sa walnut, sa honeydew melon, sa durian, and of course, sa aking favorite, the watermelon. Lahat nag-survive siya. And now, nag-believe ako talaga na sinasabi ni Honor na this one is indestructible glass, almost indestructible. So what I can see dito sa phone ko is some light scratches, maybe, but yung mga cracks and dents, wala ako napansin. So chinek ko naman siya and the screen is working perfectly, the camera is working perfectly. So, well, what can I say? Honor X9a, pass my test.